What's up YouTube, how you doing? This is Mr. Tybox123 and in this video I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing and a brief introduction to this TP-Link 300 megabits per second ultimate wireless N gigabit router for cable based connections. This model is the TL-WR1043ND and you can pick this up loads and loads of places around the internet for less than £40. Now this company TP-Link, they're an absolutely superb company for Wi-Fi equipment and routers. I've been using them now for about the last 18 months to 2 years. I used to always use like Netgear and all the typical sort of suspects and just never really found them to be either very reliable or actually very intuitive. These ones I found to be extremely reliable. They actually come with a 3-year warranty as well, which is fantastic, and the interface is very simple to use and very intuitive. Now in this video, like I say, I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of this and I'll tell you a specific reason why I bought this one in a little while. But just before that, what you can see here is I've actually bought another couple of these TP-Link devices. Now these two devices in particular are actually just wireless access points, and what you can do with these is you can just spread these throughout the house and have them wirelessly connect back to your router using the WDS technology and create like a wireless mesh around your house. So wherever you are in the garden or around the house, you're always going to get full speed Wi-Fi and you're not actually going to be stretching the distance that much. And then the connection back to the main router is going to be taken care of by these access points. Now I'll do another video about this in the future where I tell you about exactly how you can set up this Wi-Fi mesh network. But in this video, this is just going to be the unboxing and brief introduction to this TP-Link cable wireless router. So let's just have a quick look about the packaging here and have a look what it says. So obviously high speed, stable connections, and very importantly, and why this might apply to a lot of you guys, is you get the ability to share USB storage. So on the back of this router there's actually a USB port and you can plug in a USB hard drive and then have that wirelessly accessible around your network. Now I know there's various devices that do this, specifically in the Apple world we've got the time capsule, but that's very expensive. So what I'm going to do here is just give you an alternative way of creating the same kind of setup but for a lot less money. So obviously it supports all of the typical Wi-Fi standards, B, G and N, supports WDS, QSS and also SST. Round on the back of the box here it just gives us a diagram over how we might actually go about using this and tells us the kind of things that are included in the box. Also says that they've got 24 hours a day, 7 days a week technical support on a UK number, and they've also got a UK support email address as well. And like I say, I really do think that these guys provide an absolutely superb product. So let's get into the unboxing and see what we've got here with this router. And here we go. So first of all, we've got a whole load of guides and instruction leaflets and also warranty information. We've also got this mini resource CD here which comes with some documents and some software, and then in the box we've got our little power brick here which is just a typical sort of DC adapter for being able to power our device. And then we've actually got the device itself, which I'll come back to in just a moment. We also get included a Ethernet cable for connecting it up to our cable connection or our WAN connection. And then we've also got the 3 antennas that are going to plug into the back of this device. So let's just put that to one side. Now, in terms of the actual device itself, so let's just take a look at some of the LEDs here that we've got on the front of the device. We've got a power LED, system, wireless LAN, 4321 in terms of the gigabit Ethernet ports. We've also got a WAN LED, a USB one to show us that we've got that USB device connected, and also the QSS LED as well for the quick system setup, alongside the quick system setup button here on the front. If we go around to the back of the device, we can see that working our way along we've got the 3 antenna ports, we've got our power in, we've got a reset button, we've got the USB port which I mentioned earlier, which gives us that ability to plug in a hard drive and then access it wirelessly. We've got the WAN port, which is going to connect up to potentially your cable connection, and then we've also got our 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. Now let's just put these antennas on so we can see what it's going to look like once we've got these antennas all connected. Very, very simple to do. Now then, let's say for example we've got a removable hard drive, exactly like this one. This one's not even powered in fact, so it's just got a standard USB port. We can actually just plug a USB cable into our USB hard drive here, and then if we go round to the back of our router, we can simply plug our USB cable into the back of the router, and not only is that actually going to power that device, it's also going to give us access to that hard drive wirelessly connecting over Wi-Fi around the network. So overall I think this is a fantastic device. For less than £40, I really do think that this is a fantastic alternative to something like the time capsule or even some kind of wireless NAS box that you might want to buy. And at the same time it's going to provide you with very fast Wi-Fi access to your internet connection. Now that's all I'm going to show in this video. This was literally just an unboxing and a brief introduction, but like I say, in the next one I'm going to be showing you how you're going to configure these devices, what kind of performance we get over these devices, and also how to set up that Wi-Fi mesh around our house. So thanks very much for watching guys. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next one.